Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your study abroad chances with Kaplan step by step clearly. Choose your target country and universities where you want to study abroad. Research the specific requirements for each institution you're interested in. Identify the programs offered by Kaplan that align with your study goals. Enroll in Kaplan's tailored courses that enhance your academic profile. Take advantage of Kaplan's expert advisory services for application guidance. Attend Kaplan's workshops and webinars on study abroad strategies. Utilize Kaplan's resources for exam preparation, such as IELTS or TOEFL. Create a strong personal statement with the help of Kaplan's writing services. Prepare your resume or CV to highlight your academic and extracurricular achievements. Engage with Kaplan's networking events to connect with alumni and current students. Practice interview techniques through Kaplan's mock interview sessions. Submit your applications with confidence, ensuring all documents meet the required standards. Follow up with institutions after submission for any additional information. Stay informed about scholarship opportunities provided through Kaplan's resources. Be proactive in preparing for potential visa applications using Kaplan's guidance. Continue to enhance your English language skills via Kaplan's language programs. Stay connected with Kaplan's support team throughout the process for updates and advice. Finally, prepare yourself mentally and emotionally for this transformative experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.